Kamusta? Want to learn the difference between letter P and letter B in Chinese? Let's break it down. First, letter P, just air coming out. Think of it like a puffing air. For example, 害怕 scared, 苹果 apple, 乒乓球 or ping pong, 啤酒 beer. Example, 我害怕黑暗 I'm afraid of the dark. 我喜欢吃苹果 I like eating apples. Now, B is voiced. Your vocal cords vibrate. For example, 爸爸冰块加班把 Example sentences 我把书放在桌子上 I put the book on the table. 他今天加班 He worked overtime today. Look at the pinyin. There is a letter B and letter P. So meaning they are different. See, the P has air coming out. B has no air. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it. More detailed lesson, you can book my Mandarin class link in the comment section. 好了，明天见。